What's the meaning of Cape Verde? Cape Verde. Cape Verde.
Cape Verde. Cape Verde. Cape Verde is a country located in West Africa consisting of a group of islands in the Atlantic Ocean. The name Cape Verde is derived from the Portuguese words Cabo Verde, which means Green Cape. This name was given to the islands by the Portuguese explorers who first discovered them in the 15th century due to the lush vegetation that used to cover them. Today, Cape Verde is known for its vibrant culture, beautiful beaches, and rich history influenced by African, European, and Brazilian traditions.